2 sodas and 3 coffees cost $5. 1 soda and 2 coffees cost $2.95. Write and solve a linear system to determine the price of 1 soda and 1 coffee individually. To do this, we're going to set these up as a system of equations, and then we're going to use Kramer's rule to solve them out. To set up our system of equations, it would be nice to find information that sounds like a math sentence. 2 sodas, 3 coffees, $5. That sounds like a good equation right there. 2 sodas, let's use S for sodas, and 3 coffees, C for coffee, equals $5. Take the dollar sign off and just write 5.00. The next sentence sets up pretty nice. 1 soda, 2 coffees, $2.95. We're going to set it up pretty much the same way. 1 soda and 2 coffees is $2.95. We're going to set up our Kramer's rule for this one so we can solve it pretty nicely. I need to write my 3 determinants. D, I'll say DS this time, and DC for sodas and coffees. The D determinant is the coefficients of, in this case, the S and C numbers. So it's just going to be 2, 3, 1, 2. DS, I'm going to replace the 2 and 1 from the S column and put in the 5.00 and 2.95. Keep the 3 and 2 from the coffees. Vice versa. Put the 2, 1 in the S column here and the 5 and 2.95 in the other column. And I need to calculate their determinants. I would suggest having a calculator to work through some of these decimal numbers to help you speed up this process. So, if we work our determinants as cross minus cross, for D, I would have 2 times 2. 4 minus 1 times 3 is 3. The determinant for D is going to be 1. For DS, I got some decimals in here, so I'm going to have a calculator help me out. I have 5.00 times 2 minus 2.95 times 3. Value for this determinant is 1.15. Let's do the same thing for DC since it also has some decimal numbers in here. 2 times 2.95. Minus, backspace, minus 1 times 5.00. This determinant is 0.9. Since we're talking in dollars and pennies, I'm going to put 2 decimals so it looks like 90 cents. Okay, D, DS, and DC. Remember, to calculate the value for S and the value for C, we're going to divide their determinants by the original determinant of 1. So we're going to have 1.15 over 1, since that was D. 0.90 over 1, which in this case, both those values would turn out kind of nice. Our soda would be $1.15, and our coffees would be 90 cents. Let's write that as a nice little sentence. Sodas cost $1.15. Coffee costs, 90 cents.